fix PS5 controller not working on Steam. Alright guys, so the first step is to connect your controller properly. So connect your controller using a USB cable or pair it via a Bluetooth connection. That way you should be paired. You can do this by holding on the PlayStation button and it should turn on and begin flashing for your computer to connect to it. Alright, so once that's done, if it doesn't work, you could try another option by enabling support in PlayStation on Steam. So head into Steam after you've connected via Bluetooth, head into Steam and go to settings, then click on controller and make sure enable PlayStation configuration support is turned on. So make sure this enable Steam input for PlayStation controllers is turned on. Now, if this doesn't still fix your issue, you could just simply check the controller detection where you head into controller settings on Steam. Just make sure PlayStation configuration support is turned on. You're going to see the controller to be detected. It's going to show up there, basically. You'd see it in the controller list and PlayStation controller support. You're going to see it enabled in games with or without support for the PlayStation. And if this still doesn't work, you could try restarting your Steam. Uh, if that still doesn't fix it, then you need to just disable any conflicting softwares like the DS for Windows and try disabling them and then uh, try opening up Steam once more. If that doesn't work, you could try updating your drivers, that's your device drivers on your computer. You could simply update that. If that still doesn't fix it, then check your game settings because some games require controller input to be enabled manually within the game's setting. All right, guys.